Today we are going to see about the problems in satellite. The major problems for satellite is positioning in orbit, the stability, power, communication, and harsh environment. Let us see about the major problems in one by one. First, the positioning. The positioning can be achieved by several methods. One method is by using small rocket motors to carry the satellites. The fuel required for carrying a satellite by means of rocket is over half of the weight of most satellites is made. Often it is the fuel availability which determines the lifetime of a satellite. Commercial life of a satellite typically from 10 to 15 years. Stability. The stability, it is a vital that satellites are stabilized to ensure that solar panels are aligned properly, to ensure that communications antennas are aligned properly. Early satellites used spin stabilization. Either this required an inefficient omnidirectional aerial or antenna were previously countered rotated in order to provide stable communications. Modern satellites use reaction wheel stabilization, a form of gyroscopic stabilization. Other methods of stabilization are also possible, including eddy current stabilizations. The reaction wheel stabilization is a heavy wheel which rotates at high speed, often in groups of 4. 3 are orthogonal and the fourth is a backup at an angle to the others. It is driven by electrical motors as they speed up or slow down the satellite. If the speed of the wheel is inappropriate, rocket motors must be used to stabilize the satellite, which also uses fuel. Modern satellites use a variety of power. Solar panels are now quite efficient, so solar power is used to generate electricity. Batteries are needed as sometimes the satellites are behind the earth. This happens about half the time for a LEO satellite. Nuclear power has been used, but it is not recommended. In harsh environment, satellite components need to be specially hardened. Circuits which work on the ground will fail very rapidly in space. Temperature is also a problem, so satellite uses electric heaters to keep circuits and other vital parts warmed up. They also need to control the temperature carefully. The alignment. There are a number of components which need alignments. For example, solar panels, antennas are required for alignment purpose. These have to point at different parts of the sky at different times, so the problem is not trivial. Antenna alignment. A parabolic dish can be used which is pointing in the current general direction. Different feeder horn can be used to direct outgoing beams more precisely. Similarly for incoming beams also. A modern satellite should be capable of at least 50 different directed beams. It is also possible for satellites to communicate with other satellites. Communication can be by microwave optical laser. So the next satellite is LEO. We are going to see the types of satellites, that means LEO, GEO and MEO in the next session. Thank you.